Yeah, you better snap that. Clap it like it. All right. Hopefully we can post that, but it.
I hope so.
No, no.
Well, it's probably going to be the blooper side.
No, we don't do bloopers here.
Yeah, oh, that's true.
Yeah, we edit everything. We don't keep nothing.
We're one-hit wonders.
It's all edited.
All right, go for it.
It's all edited. Welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm Cory Pratt.
I'm Chris Ruck.
We are out at Young Riverfront Park. Riverfront Park. Is it Riverfront? We're at Young Riverfront Park,
right,
out
two.
by Argosy.
Take two.
I was gonna roll with that.
Oh yeah, well,
Is
that's
it
a
Riverfront
blooper.
or Riverside?
That's a blooper.
Is it Riverside?
Young Park. That's it.
No, but there's a Riverside in there. I promise you. No more bloopers.
All right.
Oh wait, we don't do bloopers. That's
Straight
right.
take. That's right. Here we go.
Welcome to the channel, everybody. We're out here at Young Riverfront Park at a car show. Another damn car show. I'm Cory Pratt.
I'm Chris Ruck.
And this is Craving Cars. So, I mean, in reality, we are at another damn car show, aren't we?
We are, but it's an amazing car show.
It's an amazing car show.
We got here early.
Maybe they don't understand. That actually is the name of this, by the way. It's another damn car show. Right?
Yeah, but it's like the first car show, so why isn't it called the first damn car show?
Well, of this year.
Yeah. I mean, that's
So this is KCShowdown's
right.
first event of 2024.
Regardless of what you call it,
Yeah.
it's amazing turnout already.
It really is.
Right? And we're not even 2 hours into this show yet.
Nope.
Yeah.
Nope, a little hour and a half, maybe. Yeah, a little over an hour.
We go for 6 hours.
Yeah, it's there, but I would say, and they've had show at this park before.
Yep.
We've done video of this place, this facility before.
That's right.
There are more cars here than I've ever seen.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
so
it's been a
that's
great
strong.
turnout.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's an amazing day. It's very partly cloudy. Probably 80-ish, give or take.
Yeah, it's getting in the mid 80s
Yeah.
today.
The sun is nice. There is some
that's-
base war stuff going on, so
Yeah.
you might hear some rumble, but
We got a lot of
It's not
basements.
us.
We got a lot of vendors here, and obviously a lot of cars here.
Yeah.
Oh, we got something here. Yeah, let's kind of show people a little
Let's
bit.
walk around a
We're
bit.
kind of in a middle-ish area
yeah.
of where cars are surrounded. Let's keep going around. Keep going
Are
around
we
for
doing a
second.
full 360?
Yeah. Oh,
You're just
yeah.
gonna keep pushing me?
Oh, yeah. But actually, now we got to go back this way.
Well, yeah.
Because we got to
this
show them
is the
something
big
cool.
part. There you
We
go,
got to
there
go
you
show them something cool.
There you go.
So we've got our mobile studio set up over the Serenity over there.
Yep.
And then right next to Serenity is we have, for the first time joining us,
Red Bull.
We got Red Bull over there.
And they brought a badass DJ truck.
Yeah, it's a truck.
Yeah.
That's been
and
converted.
we're
to
going to
where-
give a full walk around
Yeah,
on
we'll
it.
show you that here.
Yeah.
We'll show that here a little
Yeah.
later.
But everything's built into it.
Yeah,
Full
it's
PA
an amazing
system,
little deal.
full
isn't it?
everything, which is great. We didn't have to haul a bunch of crap.
No. Usually
Yeah.
we're setting up a bunch of stuff outside the van
Yeah,
and plugging in.
yeah.
But this is really neat. This is really cool. I'm glad they're here.
We have a lot of our sponsors here as well. RichLine's here.
We got RichLine.
Timely Delivery Services here. Kids and Cars, Mod Squad.
Craving Cars is here.
Craving Cars. Well, of course we're
Yeah,
here.
we're right here.
We're
Yeah, hello.
repping. We're repping it.
But yeah, so I think we should get on with the show here. Kind of show them a little bit what's going on. We'll show you the Red
That's
Bull
right.
truck, and
Yeah, we'll do some full walk around.
and have a damn good time. I say we should get to it.
Let's dump it. Ready? There's your cut. I'm out.
So is that where we do it? Right here? Is that where we're cutting now? Careful around the eyes, everybody. Careful around the eyes.